The PDF Accessibility Checker performs 3 checks for WCAG Success Criterion 2.4.2. Page titled, it checks that the XMP metadata exists, confirms that the title is included in that metadata, and checks that the DisplayDocTitle entry is set. The last one is a value in the PDF that, when set, causes it to display the document title instead of the file name when you open it in a tool like Acrobat. Why does this entry even exist?
Why is this not just the default behavior?
Does Adobe simply like to make us suffer?
This is one of the errors that can be corrected with Acrobat's built-in accessibility tools. Run the accessibility check. In the Results pane, expand the Document section. Right-click on Title Failed and select Fix. If your document doesn't have a title in its metadata, a window should pop up which allows you to type one in. If it doesn't, open the File menu and select Properties to edit your title.
They obviously know that this is the preferred behavior. Why